Hi folks. Oops. Yep. We're going to send get well cards to our friend Elizabeth, who's struggling in rehab. And no, it's not that kind of rehab. We're going to send him a get well card, a Halloween card, a Thanksgiving card. Oops. Darn it. Dropped it. And a Christmas card, if you didn't see that. Okay. And you can send it to this address. I know my hand shaked when I wrote 5. Okay, I hope you can see that because I'm blurred. Real short. Had one of those days. Real tired. And make sure you check out the other videos today. I'm going to try to do 4. They're really hard. So catch you guys later.